Hello guys. Oh, stick camera. Okay.
Ala, maghangin yung cellphone ni Mama. Ito pa ito?
Right there. So warning, just again video. Try this like a lot of times again. Yeah. Just 9 minutes. 8. Posting. Replay video. This is the replay of my joking. Okay, stick on it. Put there. We go this idea. Stick on it. Okay. Eating Cheetos. Trying this for the first time. That's all. I didn't like this when I was 4 years old. 2, 4 years old. Now I like it. Okay. Bro, this is not good. Oh, you have it. Panay? Panta? Yay! Okay, try it.
Ay, hindi naman malanay. Ipaspas na sila. Bapo yan. Ganyan ba?
Rose.
Yung manok may mga brands. Tapos dili. Ganay na.
I like it.
Okay.
Cheesy. Ow.
Chicken na lang. Tapos rin ka lang. Gagay. Saan mo bili? Nako.
Okay, I like it.
It's
Really cheesy. Try it. Eat Cheetos. Wait, have Cheetos. Cheetos. Crunchy. So good.
Gulay daw yung gulay.
Ulam.
Gulay.
Ulam.
Gulay.
Ulam.
Gulay.
Ito, ang video. Nagkala mo kayo kung banana Q? Nilang ko dito nila ito ba?
Ha?
Banana Q?
Sumukay.
Okay, mo magipat ko na atong tambal ng
Ito yung mga
panggutom.
chicken.
Muna sige palit.
Nag-slice yung tansa. Ito yung apa. 9. Ulam.
Okay, they're picking something from choking. Okay. You can meet me at Iligan City in Philippines. If you're Americano, that's the trick. You can meet me. And I live in a bukid. Doon
Init ba?
near Sensation.
Tanaw na kung init. Init ba? Yun na.
Pagdaling na ba?
Wala! Ayaw mo away! Mama!
Sa mungkal, wala mo gawin.
Topic, I'm just gonna eat and